In this video, we will show you how to replace your spark plugs. On this Dodge Ram, these will be located along each side of your engine. You have 8 of them, and there's 4 on each side. The process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To get to the spark plug, you'll have to locate your spark plug wires, grab onto it, give it a little twist to break it free from the spark plug. Once you've got some movement there, you should be able to lift it up and off. We'll give that a quick inspection. Typically, it is a good idea to replace the spark plug wires at the same time as your spark plugs. We'll continue on with a 5/8 spark plug socket and an extension. Slide it right down into this metal tube here. We'll continue on with a ratchet, and we'll turn this counterclockwise to remove it. There it is, friends. Okay, friends, let's get ready to install our brand new spark plug. Before you put it in, you want to make sure that you give it a close inspection. The white area here is ceramic. You want to make sure it's not cracked or damaged. Down at the end, you have your electrode and your ground strap. Make sure it didn't get peened over. This one looks fine. With that said, we'll take this and slide it into our spark plug socket. Now we can start the spark plug into the engine by hand so we're sure we are not cross-threading it into position. We'll bottom it out and then torque it to 26 foot-pounds. Once that's torqued, we'll pay attention to our spark plug wire. Add a little bit of dielectric grease into this area. Once you've done that, we'll slide this onto the spark plug, making sure we press it into the proper position, and then give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we showed you how to install one of your spark plugs. The process will be the exact same thing for every other spark plug. After you've completed that, start up your vehicle, make sure you don't have a misfire, and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.